Number 6, Renata drives to work at an average speed of y kilometers per hour. So this is the speed which she goes to work with, and she drives the same route home at an average speed of x kilometers per hour. And we can see that our units of measurement are the same. They are all kilometers per hour. We have to always keep in mind of that. And we are asked to find the expression for average speed of a total trip. So average speed, remember average speed would be total distance over total time traveled. Right? And we know that the distance is going to cover to go and to come back is the same because it's traveling the same route. So total distance is going to be d for going plus the distance for coming back, which is 2d. All right. And then now we need to find the total time for each trip. Ne? So going to work, the time is going to be, remember time is distance over speed. But we know that the distance, we made it d, and then the speed for going, we are told, was y. So the time for going is d over y. And for coming back home, the time will be t equals to d over x, because when she came back home, she was traveling at x kilometers per hour, so our speed is x there. Now the total time will be d over y plus d over x, which we need to do LCD, and we can see that our LCD is xy. So here I need to have x, there I need to have y. So whatever I multiply at the bottom with, I must have on top. So here I'm going to have dx because I multiplied with x at the bottom. Here I'm going to have dy because I multiplied with y at the bottom. So we can therefore see that the total time is basically dx plus dy all over xy. Now substituting our total time and our total distance into the average speed formula. The total distance we said is 2d, and we're going to divide that by the total time, which is dx plus dy over xy. And we need to now tip in times. So you have 2d, I change the division to multiply, and then I'm going to flip this guy here. So xy becomes the numerator, dx plus dy becomes the denominator. Then from there we can see that we're going to have 2dxy all over. At the bottom I can take out a common factor of d, which is x plus y. And then we can all see, ladies and gents, that the d's are going to cancel, which is going to give us 2xy over x plus y. Now let's go to check what option is there. 2xy over x plus y. That is option B, ladies and gentlemen. Right. Okay. Now that is done, we are now going to go to number 7. On 7, we are told that the two integers have a sum of m and a product of n. So I'm going to let those two integers to be a and b. And we are told that a plus b is equals to m. And We are also told that the product is n, which means A times B will be n. Right? And then they want us to find the expression for the sum of the squares between these two integers. So we want a squared plus b squared. They want the sum of the squares between these two integers. So from what I have, I know that I need to end up with squares on a and b and a plus in between them. So the idea that I have is to square these two sides of the equation. And that is going to give us a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. That is our left hand side, which is equals to m squared. All right? And then we know that ab is equals to n, which means where I see ab, I can replace with n. So I'm going to have a squared plus b squared plus 2n equals to m squared. And the next thing is that this is what I'm looking for. So I'm going to leave it this side. So a squared plus b squared equals to m squared minus 2n. And that is our answer. A squared plus b squared equals to m squared minus 2n. Now let's go and check which one is this. We can see, ladies and gentlemen, that this aligns with B. So our answer for 7 is B. Please don't forget to share with friends, classmates, and family. Question 8 and 9 and 10 and many more will be in the following videos. There are about 300 questions that we are going to have in this playlist. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe and to set on the notification bell. Dango.